Hello everyone, this is day 27 and this is day 6 of my 7-day challenge, and my I have done all my practice. It's the eve time, so it's now 9:15 and today is Friday. And today I feel over the moon. Basically I learned this phrase today, over the moon. I learned couple of months back, but yeah, I saw this phrase today, so I remember that it means over the moon means feeling very happy, very light. Okay, so my office work well went and all good. So let's go to the computer. Let's see the practice. Okay, so this is day 6 practice, and you can see focus on present continuous tense and describe a situation. Here is the grammar test. Like basically I have to use is mr plus verb plus ing. There are some examples and this is the test, or you can this is the this is fill in the blanks, and here it is the topic. So I stand up and talk on, actually this practice I need to do, and so okay, I will do that also. And today's word is focus. All right, so this is motivation. Actually, this ChatGPT gives one motivation per day. Okay, so let's see. This is my day practice. So here is my today's practice. These are the words and these are the some sentences or some paragraph which I write today. And here is the side by side correction. So yeah, almost everything is correct in fill in the blanks. Just one mistake I have did today. Okay, so basically it's a spelling mistake, not I do mistake in study. So it's now is studying हो गया. So this should be studying. Okay, and the ऑन सेंटेंसेस में थोड़े बहुत करेक्शंस हैं, थोड़े बहुत एक्चुअली काफ़ी करेक्शंस हैं देखा जाए तो. सो ग्रामर फाइन. So actually I learned this word wiggling tail. So वहाँ थोड़ा एक मिस्टेक हो गई मुझसे. And this is the paragraph on focus. So actually each and every sentence कुछ ना कुछ मैंने गलती की है. Like we have only 1 2 3 4 sentences correct है, बाकी सब में कुछ ना कुछ there are some mistakes. Okay, so don't worry about it because it's a learning. So don't afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes से ही आपको सीखने को मिलेगा. And this is the final thought. So you are now writing complex thoughts in English. Let's switch the camera first. This is about it. So it's like now I'm making more complex sentences, so that's why the mistakes percentage is increasing, but it's totally normal. I think as per my opinion, as per my knowledge, doing mistake is not a bad thing. When you do something, so yeah, you will make mistakes, so that don't worry about it. Okay, so I think that's it today, and होप आपको वीडियो अच्छे लग रहे होंगे, कुछ आपको नया सीखने को मिल रहा होगा, थोड़ा मोटिवेशन मिल रहा होगा. तो अभी के लिए बाय बाय, मिलते हैं कल के ब्लॉग में. तब तक बाय.